verse over and over.
Okay.
And you keep it the way it is.
Yeah, okay.
But you can, if you like, you can listen to it first.
Okay, go ahead.
And then say the next one.
All right then.
Or you can say, I don't care what it is.
All right, that's better.
Nothing with it if you don't like it. Mother, when there's on a party, she whipped that home her baby son. He cried and begged her not to leave him, but he would not give up her plum. She kissed his cheek and tried to soothe him, but would not heed his childish plea. She heard him call as she was leaving, "Please, mommy, please stay home with me."
That's beautiful. It is.
She left the party feeling dizzy, the smell of drinking on her breath. She hurried home to find her baby in raging pain and almost dead. The doctor came and looked on sadly. His case was hopeless, he could see. The baby died, these words repeated. "Please, mommy, please stay home with me."
Oh,
It's like that, it's so
some sad though.
well, not sad, but it's comical. The mother joined the merry makers, and soon was lost in chattering joy. The mellow tune and fleeting shadow made her forget her baby boy. She danced and laughed and did some drinking. The world for her was full of glee. She heard him call when she was leaving. "Please, mommy, please stay home with me."
There you go. Perfect.
Makes me laugh.
What? Yeah, there you go. It's a wonderful little song.
She left
Oops.
the party feeling dizzy, the smell of drinking on her breath. She hurried home to find her baby in raging pain and almost dead.
Very good.
The doctor came and looked on sadly. Her case was hopeless, he could see. The baby died, these words repeated. "Please, mommy, please stay home with me."
There you go. Beautiful. Thank you, Uncle Joe. That's really nice. And there's
Yeah.
Mommy.